So these questions are your assignments here. Okay, look at the first one. I'm going to explain you the questions. A program requires the user to type in a user ID which must be in the form XX99999. So this means that first two digits should be alphabets and the rest of the digits, rest of the 6 digits should be any digit. Okay, X means alphabets and 9 means any digits. Name part A says name two possible validation checks that could be applied to this user ID. So, what validation checks can be applied to this ID? Okay, the validation checks we learned in the third video, I guess. I guess first one should be the format check because we have alphabets and digits here. Okay, so first kind of check would be format check, that is going to check the format. And we can have a length check. Okay, 2 and 6 8, that this user ID must be 8 characters long and it must follow a certain format. So your answer would be a format check and the length check. Okay, part B says name a validation check that could not be used on this occasion. Which validation check cannot be used on this occasion? Which validation check we cannot use? So of course we cannot use check digit here. You can simply say we cannot use check digit here. We can have more answers as well. Okay, but for example we will use that. We will not use the check digit validation check here. For the reason you can say that because this is a character, the user ID is kind of a character data, not a numeric data. Okay, then we have here question number 2. In this question they are asking us to find the check digit for a certain IBN number, and then they have given you two IBN numbers and asking you to check if they are correct or not. Okay, you can do it by yourself. You have just done it in the previous video. Question 3 is the following data is to be entered onto an online form. Name, date of birth, password, phone number. For each item state with reasons the validation checks that should be used. So for all these four options you need to tell the validation checks that you would use for these four options. Okay, I hope you can do it by yourself.